friends, welcome to Shavla's kitchen. Today I'm gonna make a very healthy sweet recipe. It's called sesame dates laddu. It's fat free, 3 ingredient, 10-minute recipe, and you're gonna love it because it's fat free. So let's go through the ingredients real quick. So here goes my ingredients. This is sesame seeds, which we call til, around 1 cup of til, sesame seed, around half cup of coconut. So this is a desiccated coconut, or you can say grated coconut. Then I have chopped dates over here. So I soaked it in the water and just microwave this for 1 minute. That's it. Then I chopped it and we are ready to rock. So I have a pan over here. We'll be dry roasting the sesame seeds and this coconut. So here goes the sesame seeds. We'll just give it a stir for 1 or 2 minutes. Just make it brown. So we are dry roasting it, no oil, no ghee, nothing in it. Make sure to stir it because you don't want it to get black or stick to the bottom. So here it's brown. It took me 5 minutes to get it dry roasted and get it brown. So I'm gonna take this in a bowl, and so in the meanwhile my sesame seeds over here are getting cooled down because we have to just grind it in a mixer. Here goes our coconut. So we have to stir this until it's brown again. And make sure for all this stuff use a non-stick pan, because then these things will not stick to the bottom. So I'll take 2 to 3 minutes to dry roast it again. So our coconut is brown over here, you can see. We don't want to over brown it, so I'm turning off the heat. And let's grind our sesame seed over here. We'll just count 3 and it's done. We don't want it to grind a lot. So I've just shifted another stove over there. So let's do our grinding over here. So here it's in the jar and I'm gonna grind it. Just give 3 pulses. So here it is, out from the jar. So in this I'm gonna add coconut. I love the aroma of the sesame seed, which we call til. I remember when we were kids, my mom used to use mortar and pestle just to grind this sesame seed, and because we Punjabis have fast, and in that fast we just have to eat til ka laddu. So my mom used to prepare that til ka laddu from it. So I'm just mixing this til along with the coconut over here. Here goes the dates. So we'll be mixing all this together, and if we think, I'll just see if it's not getting binded up, then we'll be using some honey. Yeah, I think I need to add some honey. If dates are really soft and spongy, you don't have to add honey in it, but I'll be using around 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey in it. Here goes 1, 2, and 3. So if you are vegans, you don't eat honey, you can avoid it and add oil in it. So try to mix together again. So I have used some more honey in it, and now I'm able to bind it. So let me try making some ball sort of here. Here it goes. So let me finish up with this, and then we will test this with coconut. And our til dates laddu, that is dates sesame laddu, is ready in just 3 ingredients. Here are my laddus ready. It doesn't took me much time to get this delicious laddu, sesame dates laddu, and you can have this laddu anytime. And if there are some dates in your house which are unused, try out this recipe too. Happy Dussehra to you guys. Leave me comments, leave me suggestions, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe on our channel to know more videos, and don't forget to dust some coconut on the top of this. This really adds a flavor to the dish. Thank you so much for watching. Until we meet again, thank you. Bye bye.